again, Latricia Johnston from Hocking Valley Community Hospital. Here to talk again about our next auction item that is going to be up for our annual auction that we do as a benefit for Hocking Valley Community Hospital. Hopefully you've been following along with our Facebook page. I encourage you to do this because things are going to change. With each item it might be a little different, steps might be different, so please go to our hospital Facebook page to learn daily about what's going on. Every evening after 7 o'clock you'll get the latest bid price. If it's an auction item, maybe some latest information on the raffle, like the deadlines, etc. So again, I encourage you, please go frequent our webpage and our Facebook page often on this. So here with me today to introduce our next item, and we are trying to do our social distance, nothing personal here against him, is Kyle Walker. Kyle has been very supportive of our hospital. He is currently on our foundation board, but he is also our chairperson for the board itself and actually the auction committee this year. So standing in kind of a new location, I think he's going to share a little bit about his business. So Kyle?
Yep, so I own Real World Cleaning Services here in Logan, and just yesterday we signed the lease on our soon-to-be new office, over 3,000 square feet for our employees and growing, so we're super excited about that. So we felt it was the perfect time to offer a raffle to the hospital auction for 6 months of house cleaning, once a month, 2 hours. And so we're super excited that we can hopefully help someone take a house cleaning off their plate for one time a month. Fall cleaning, yeah.
I'll have my
you know,
raffle ticket for sure.
School might be, virtual for some families, so we can help take a little bit of stress off that. So yeah,
okay.
Super excited.
Well, tickets are going to go on sale starting at 7 o'clock tonight.
Yep.
This is a raffle this time. Like I said, some things will be different. So $20 raffle ticket. You can go right onto our webpage, www.hvch.org. Get on there, bid, or buy your raffle tickets and help support our foundation. So we appreciate your continued support, and Kyle, thank you for all that you do and for this item for here.
Absolutely.
Thank you.